Okay, I'm counting up the uses of the magic eraser and the super degreaser. They seem to be endless. So here I am yet again, what's called transfer. I've got my slightly used magic eraser and my brand new magic eraser. This is what they look like brand new. Got my super degreaser. Okay, my guess is the owner hit the garage door on the way in. So we've got a combination of scratches and transfer. So a quick little douse of the super degreaser. Bam, it's that quick. Anything left over is true damage to the paint. Now we have, I'll pull back for perspective. This is the side door. It's a Lexus SC430. Very common on the lower side door or the entry door is this buildup of grease. If I already have my magic eraser out, it's not the only way to get this off. It's just that, like I said, if I already have it out, bam, it's that quick. We'll go to the, for perspective, this is the driver's side now. And I don't know if this is a woman thing. Actually, I get it on my my own van. So right here, same thing. It's from your leg. And I don't know if it's the oils on your bare leg, dirt on your clothes, I don't know what, but it's very common on light colored cars. So it's just that simple. And always look in my description box of every video. There will be links. Always check the description box.
Once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and